So this part of your brain has a lot of attitudes and belief systems, holding on to a lot of attitudes and belief systems. So these are like, unhealthy attitudes and belief systems, and a lot of what makes them unhealthy is that they're very, very rigid. They're kind of set in stone. Like, this is how it is. Kind of a mentality. So this part of your brain has a lot of these unhealthy attitudes and belief systems. And a lot of these attitudes and belief systems are related to how the world should be. So it's like you have very strong, rigid, dogmatic, inflexible attitudes and belief systems about how the world should be. Right? So then what happens is when the world, the world's obviously, that concludes everything. So when people, when animals, when the environment, when cars, when school, when whatever, musicians, the concerts, whatever, aren't the way that you believe they should be, then your buttons get pushed. Right? So whenever your buttons get pushed, whenever you get triggered, that's always an indication. It's always a symptom, right, of that one or more, usually multiple, of these rigid belief systems has been challenged. So basically life telling you, like, it doesn't have to be that way. Like, we don't have to follow your rules. So this part of your brain, a lot of attitudes and belief systems, unhealthy attitudes and belief systems related to how the world should be. So bringing focus to these.